there! Want to level up your skills in Mobile Legends Bang Bang using your iPhone? Well, you're in luck. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through how to enter practice or training mode in Mobile Legends. Let's dive right in. First things first, open the Mobile Legends app on your iPhone. Now, tap on Heroes located at the bottom of your screen. After that, select your favorite hero from the list. Next up, locate the Hero Training option, usually found at the bottom left corner of your screen. Give it a tap. Then, hit OK from the lower right corner of the screen. Now it's time to choose your opponent. Tap on the Pick Your Opponent button. Lastly, tap on OK and then hit Start. And there you go, your training match will begin. That's all it takes to jump into practice mode in Mobile Legends Bang Bang and hone your skills to your heart's content. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to smash that like button. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you. Thanks for tuning in and I'll catch you in the next one.